Created those discs, got them all cleaned up, got the swarf off them from where they were plasma cut, got them all in place, welded in, ground back, all looking good. So that's the end of this one, and just show you the finished articles, and next time we'll be doing something else. So there we go. This one had some rust just here, so I ended up doing a rectangular repair as well as the disc, but that's all gone okay. And then, yeah, that's it for this one. So next time, not sure exactly what I'll be doing. I've started removing the old roll cage front leg boxes. That all needs tidying up and everything else as well, ready for when Nick does the new cage. It's all just bits and pieces getting ready for when Nick's back and doing work again. But yeah, all progress until the next one. Alright, bye bye.